Hey friends, this is Atif Opier and welcome to the new update on TLM. For the past several months, since after the month of April 2021, the price line of TLM was in the downtrend. It was forming lower lows and lower highs, and it formed this very big and huge falling wedge pattern. Now, after the breakout from this wedge, the trend is now getting reversed from the downside to the upwards. But now we have found this up trend line resistance that was previously working as support, and the price line is getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance, and it is also rejected by this quite long-term resistance of 2 cents as well. That was previously working as a resistance here. Before that, for several months, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, now to continue this rally to the upside and change the trend from the downside to the upwards, we will need to break out these two resistance levels. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for render, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade signal like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared the signal like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of November 2024. And this is a complete trade setup, buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of TLM. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this down channel. And while moving inside this channel, we broke down this very significant up trend line support. And we also broke down the next support of 1.2 cents and dropped down at this long-term support of $0.009. And the price was getting accumulated here for the past several weeks. And after moving sideways here at this support of $0.009, finally the price and broke out the resistance of this channel. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.009 has been previously breaking as a very strong support here. And this is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern as well. And this time, therefore, again, it worked as a very, very nice support. And now after the breakout from this channel, the price is rejected by this uptrend line resistance that was previously working as support coming from the month of September 2023. We had several touch points here, and then we had nice bounce. Then we had another bounce, and then we had several touch points and bounce here as well. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance, and the price line is rejected by this uptrend line resistance, along with this long-term resistance of 2 cents that was previously working as a resistance here. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, now to continue this rally to the upside and to change the trend from the downwards to the upwards, we will need to break out these two resistance levels. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 3.5 cents. And by the way, over there, we have another quite long-term resistance because this 3.5 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.